Emma, on a sunny beach vacation, stumbled upon a glowing map, half buried in the sand. Intrigued, they followed its cryptic markings, leading them to a hidden cove. Before them shimmered Rainbow Island, a place where waterfalls seemed to float and a golden sun shone eternally. But something was wrong. The vibrant hues of the island were fading, replaced by a monotonous gray. A wise old parrot, the Parrot King, greeted them. The Parrot King explained that the island's magical prism gem, the source of its radiant colors, had been stolen. To restore the island, Sem and Emma had to solve a series of enchanted puzzles. Their first challenge led them to a playful monkey perched high in a banyan tree. The monkey, a lover of riddles, presented them with a brain teaser. I have cities but no houses, forests but no trees, and water but no fish. What am I? Emma, quick-witted, answered, a map. The monkey, impressed, revealed the location of the next puzzle. This puzzle was guarded by a slow but clever turtle who loved mazes. The maze was a twisting labyrinth of flowering vines and sparkling streams. Sem, using his patience and keen observation, carefully navigated the maze, finding the hidden clue at its center, a small, intricately carved seashell. The seashell led them to a crystal-clear lagoon where a friendly dolphin greeted them with rhyming riddles. The dolphin's rhymes hinted at the final location of the prism gem, a hidden waterfall behind a towering rock formation. As they approached the waterfall, they realized the final challenge was the trickiest. The prism gem was guarded by a mischievous chameleon, its skin perfectly blending with the surrounding rocks. Sem and Emma searched high and low, but the chameleon remained invisible. Emma, remembering the colorful tropical fruits they had gathered along the way, had a brilliant idea. She arranged the fruits in a vibrant circle around the waterfall. The chameleon, unable to resist the bright colors, shifted its skin to match the fruits, revealing itself. Sem quickly retrieved the prism gem, returning the gem to the sacred waterfall. A brilliant burst of color erupted across the island. The gray faded, and Rainbow Island was once again alive with its breathtaking hues. The Parrot King, overjoyed, rewarded Sem and Emma with magical necklaces that glowed whenever a new adventure awaited them. They left the island, their hearts full of joy and the promise of more exciting journeys ahead.